Oh, do we really have to do this dumb Christmas thing?
Yeah, it's gonna be great.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Today is Christmas Day, here in Australia at least, and so if you're in other parts of the world watching it, you're in for a good one. It's a good one this year. But first of all, let's sort out the headwear. That's much, much better. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for giving up just a few moments of your day to tune in and be here on this exciting Christmas day. Or maybe you're watching this in a couple of days or a couple of weeks or a couple of months or a couple of years. But anyway, kudos to you. Today, we're opening a really cool present that I wanted to do it with you guys. I thought this would be fun, it'd be special, it'd be cool, and you'll get to see, well, something that, well, we'll all get to see it at the same time. If you want to give me a present, and I love presents, I'm a gift giver, I love getting gifts. If you want to give me a present, it won't cost you anything. All you need to do is subscribe, just give it a whack, and we're all good to go. That's all I'd like today. That's all you need to give me. And without further ado, shall we get started? First of all, we need to get rid of this paper. We need a blade. It's the best way in. Yeah, just slash and burn without the burning bit. Completely irresponsible. This looks cool. I ordered a couple extra batteries. I mean, I didn't. This is a Christmas gift. But if I'd have bought it, which I did, and then I gave it to Lyndall to wrap up for me, to open it today, Christmas Day, which it may or may not be. Oh, it's all the bits and pieces, all the spare bits and pieces, and the battery that goes in it. So let's get all this stuff out of the way, because this is what we are looking at. FPV Racing Drone. FPV Racing Drone by BetaFPV. Let's have a look inside this, guys. Clearly, FPV were not interested in how you fluently unbox a product, but oh, it smells like brand new. Do you love that smell? Smell it? Oh, so good, so good. All right, FPV, here we go. Here we go. I'll give you first look, even though it's my Christmas gift. Black too. Look at this. This is so cool. Comes in this beautiful case that you open it up. It's got all the components there. The funniest thing is this drone is actually smaller than the controller and the headset. And both these controllers and headsets are much smaller than the ones you normally get. This is the drone, but this is the cool little case it comes in. So it's got this cool little handle. You can just walk around the neighborhood with it, get in trouble from the neighbors, and then go somewhere where you're actually allowed to fly it. So let's have a look at the ingredients that you get. You get the drone, has a high-def camera, it shoots at 1080p. You have some spare covers, protectors, prop, a strap to keep the battery safe, I imagine. Spare cover for the camera. I guess it's different color as well, so you can perhaps mix it up with some different colors. And they expect me to break it, which explains the extra props that they send too. Very handy. And this little thing is like a glow-in-the-dark. Sick, it's a cover that goes on the camera and it's glow in the dark. Do you want me to fly in the night? Of course you do. Okay, then we've got the cool goggles. I don't know how the goggles actually work. It's got a record section there and a small space for a micro SD card. These are the, I wonder if they've got, they do, is the antennas. Screw on the front. I'll pull that off. Oh, just saves us all a bit of time, right? So we've got the things that look like them off the Terminator. This is going to be sick. Then got some spare batteries. Oh, here's the charging hub. So you stick the battery into the hub and stick that into the USB charging point. Before you know it, you're ready to fly some more. Apparently the batteries only last for 3 or 4 minutes. That's why you need a few, which is why I've got a few that enable you to keep the drone up in the air. Got USB thing, I imagine, to charge this, which says it's all charged at the moment. And then this little contraption, this holds it onto your face. Oh, sick. All right. I can't see anything. Do I look cool though? I bet I look cool. I mean, imagine this. You're sitting down the beach, you've got your goggles on, you're just smashing away in your drone. People are like, that is the coolest guy here, without a shadow of a doubt. Yeah, okay. There's lots of doubt. We both know it. If I go like that. Oh, it's static. Look at that. Can you see that? Static. It's blue. Let me tell you the story behind why I wanted this for Christmas. I've been flying drones for a while now, for quite a while. The DJI brand, first taste was with the Phantom. This is like 6 years ago. I was like, this is incredible that a drone can do this. Drone technology has come forward in leaps and bounds. I had a Platinum Pro, which I loved, and then I upgraded that to a Mavic Air 2, and then I downgraded the Mavic Air 2 into the Ocean, and then replaced it with a Mavic Air 2, and now this FPV, which stands for first person view, so you get to be the first person to see what the drone is doing. You actually fly the drone through this, so what that camera sees is what you see through here, and the idea is that you can do some cool funky stuff with this because of its size, agility and speed that you just can't do with a sensible, mature DJI product. Now, there's a long-term plan with this. This isn't the long-term. This is sort of a taster to get me into it, to see, to actually bump up my skills so I can get better at it, so I can learn and understand how they work. Because DJI, and now I was going to go the tough route of building your own, and the idea is you get components from all over the world and you build your own drone. It takes a long time to learn and to do and to suss out. However, DJI have just started releasing sneak peeks of the fact that they are creating a racing drone that shoots in 4K at 60 frames a second, goes 150 k's an hour. What? And you come with goggles and you come with this. So at the moment you can buy a controller and you can buy goggles from DJI, and then you link it to another drone. However, DJI are going to come out with a synced system, and they're going to announce it in like a couple of weeks' time, apparently. Now, it's all rumors at the moment. This is what it looks like, but we'll find out soon. And my plan is to fly that down the face of a waterfall. What? It's right, it's called a ridge dive. A ridge dive is when a drone, not this drone, this is a Cinewhoop, and these drones aren't powerful enough to actually do rolls or dives or, I don't know, rockets. I just made that one up. However, you learn how to control them on these. You can also plug this into a simulator that you can watch on your computer, and you can practice and get better and better and better at actually flying the drone. Now, I think it's time to give this a whirl. Wow, it's pretty special. Ooh, it's gonna get to take off. Well, as you can see, we're doing really well at making it do a couple of doughies around the old desk there. Whew, here we go. Uh-oh. It's got all these switches that I just don't know what they do. I'm sure there's some instructions somewhere. Woo! All drones come with a kill switch, which is this switch here. So when it's down, it's disabled. Whoa! No! When it's up, I don't know what I'm doing. All FPV racing drones come with a kill switch. So oh wow! Oh, strike a light. Didn't come with instructions, came with stickers. I love that. That's my kind of machine. Like, nah, they'll work it out, but give them some stickers. That's super cool. All right, so if I turn it on, and then wow. I think there's a hole in the roof. Wow. I need to go and watch some people on YouTube who know what they're doing with this before I destroy the rest of my house. Oh, not enough time though, Christmas Day. A bunch of things I've got to get to. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it led you into some of the adventure that lies before me. Thanks for joining me. Goodness gracious, I've got lots to learn. Merry Christmas, everybody. Hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.